What's up, guys? This is MJ. Welcome to Trade, Scalp, and Fun. Today, I'm gonna share one of the best scalping indicator in TradingView, created by Jesu Capital, which has 90% of win ratio. Yes, you heard it right. What are we waiting for then? Let's begin. Sumo indicator has a set of rules to be followed. Point number one, it works only on 5 minutes time frame as it is a scalping indicator. And below the chart, the graph what you see is the plot of sumo indicator, where yellow line indicates sell signal and the blue line indicates buy signal. Let's find out the rules for the bullish entry. For the bullish entry, the present candle should be green and the previous candle should be red. And even though the previous candle is red here, you can see sumo indicator line color is blue. This is where it indicates us the perfect bullish trend. But when would we enter? We would enter exactly after the completion of the green candle. Never enter before the completion of the candle. How would we enter the bearish trade? For the bearish entry, the present candle should be in red and the previous candle should be green. And even though the previous candle is green here, you can see the sumo indicator line color has turned into yellow. And this is where it indicates us the bearish entry. And here as well, we would enter only after the completion of the red candle. As we have already seen the bullish and bearish entry setup, let's just check how it works in TradingView. So I'll just use replay and I'll start here, and let me just cut down the speed and let's start. Oh, this is taking time, so let me just fast forward this and see how it goes. So let's wait for an entry. One of the biggest advantage of this indicator is this indicator will never repaint, as most of the indicators in TradingView will repaint. This indicator does not repaint. And see, here we have a short position. As our rules, prior to this red candle we have a green candle, and once this red candle is completed, we can see that yellow line has started prior to this red candle. So this will be an entry for our short position. So here we go. I'll enter here, and my stop loss would be somewhere here. 29 rupees is my stop loss, 29 points. And let me key, as this is a scalping indicator, I'll target 1:1, and let me just see what happens next. So whether it will hit our stop loss or our target. So it's very close to our target. Yes, our target is hit. So as you have seen, our target is hit here. So let's just wait and watch if we get any other. Okay, here. This is one more advantage. Before this green candle, when this red candle was forming, the sumo indicator by then started to form a blue line. You can see here. See, even after being a red candle in the chart, indicator is showing us the blue line. So sumo indicator is also a leading indicator. It's not a lagging indicator. That's a biggest advantage, because most of the indicators in the market are lagging, whereas this sumo indicator is a leading indicator. So let's just take a long position here, as it is satisfying our long position rules. See, prior to this green candle we have a red candle, and here we have a green candle, and this is a blue line here, so it is satisfying all our conditions. So I'll enter here, and my stop loss would be somewhere here. 33 points is my stop loss, so I'll target 33 points. So let's just see what happens next. So it's coming down, but still, see here, here again, this is again a confirmation that it will hit our target, and it is completely in a bullish trend. See, we have a confirmation here. Even after two red candles, we can see that sumo indicator is showing us the blue line. So let's just see whether, yeah, our target is hit, and let's see where it goes. Market is shooting up. Now let's try this indicator on Bank Nifty and see how it works. Here's the replay. I'll cut down the speed to here, and I'll start from here. Okay, started. I would usually not take any trades until and unless I see completion of one swing. So I'll wait for my trades until and unless a swing is completed. So let's just see if we get any trades from here. There's no trade. You can see still there is an yellow line. The chart candle is red, but line is blue. So I will not take any entry here. Here, do we have any entry? No. Here, as you see, we have a red candle in the chart, but still sumo indicator is showing a blue line, and it is also satisfying our conditions to take a long trade. We have a green candle, and we can see a blue line formation in our sumo indicator. So I'll just buy a position here, and this would be my stop loss, and my target would be 179, 1 is to 1 reward risk ratio. So let's see whether it will hit our target or it will hit our stop loss. So it's going well. Okay, here we go. It has hit our target, and now let's wait for another opportunity. There's a red candle, still the blue line continues. Maybe it's still bullish. Green, okay. We have a red candle and a yellow line, and prior to that we see a green candle. So here we can take a bearish position. So I'll enter here, and this would be my stop loss, and my target would be 116, but still okay, let this be my target. Let's just see whether it will hit our target or I'll be stopped out. Okay, here we can see a green candle, still a yellow line. Okay, it has hit our target. Here we can see a green candle, but still there is a yellow line in sumo indicator, which actually is indicating us that it is still bearish. Okay, so two trades, we have one. Now let's just see if we get any other entry. Green, red, red, no entry. Green, no entry. Green, no entry, no entry, red, no entry here. It's a red, but prior to that was also red, so no entry. No entry here as well. No entry here. Okay, this is red candle, a green candle. Okay, so here we can take an entry, because prior to that was a red candle, and next candle was green, and then here the sumo indicator is also blue. So let's buy a position here, sorry, long position here. We should have actually bought, and I'll keep my stop loss somewhere here, and my target would be here. Okay, I'll just extend my target maybe till here. Let's see what happens. So it's raising down. Okay, no trade here, no trade. Okay, I think it is gonna hit a stop loss. No. Okay, no. Okay, this is becoming bullish again. Let's just hold on, as our stop loss is really low. Let's just try and see how it would work, whether it's gonna hit our stop loss or target. I think it will hit our target, as it's almost near. Okay, Here we go, it has hit our target. Well, this indicator works on Bank Nifty as well. We now have seen how it works on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let's just try it on any stocks. I have taken ITC. Let's just try it on ITC now. So here it goes. Okay, it's going down. As I have said earlier, I'll take an entry once a swing is completed. So we don't find any entry here, no entry here as well. Let's just wait. Patience is the key to success. Okay, here we have an entry. We have a red candle and the sumo indicator is showing us yellow line, and previous candle is a green candle. So this is satisfying our entry for short position. So let's take a short position here. So this will be my stop loss and this will be my target. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it's playing around, but it's gonna hit my target. Okay, let me just show you something here. Here, if you can see, there was a green candle, but still the sumo indicator was showing us the yellow line. That says that the bearish trend would continue, and as you have seen, the bearish trend has continued. So then let's wait for one more opportunity. So no entry here, no entry yet. Let's find a perfect entry. Okay, here if you see, we have an inverted hammer, which is a bearish candle, but our sumo indicator is showing us an entry for bull trade. So this is actually telling us that, like, it's an end of bear trend. Maybe a bullish trend may start now. So let's wait for a confirmation candle, that is a green candle. Once we get a green candle, let's take an entry. Okay, we have a green candle here. Let's take a long position from here. This will be my entry and this will be my stop loss, and my target would be this one. Let's try it out now. I hope it would hit our target. Okay, yes, our target is hit. Well, guys, we just learned how to take trades using Sumo indicator. You can even use this indicator on spot chart of Nifty and Bank Nifty and can buy in the money options, and you can easily target about 5 to 6 points in Nifty options and 10 to 15 points in Bank Nifty options. If you want to use this indicator, you can join our Telegram group and send us your TradingView ID. The link is in the description below. If you have found this video as useful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And guys, don't forget to click on bell icon. Ping!